Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Shivanti. I feel like I'm back home every time I do a makeup haul. It makes me so happy. A lot of you have been complaining in my last video that I was looking odd, tired, different. So in today's video, you people are gonna die looking at my overacting skills. I'm on full swing. Just now fought with my dad, and fighting with my dad is not an easy thing. I have to repeat the same thing again and again and again to a point where I'll feel tired, and even though sometimes if it is his mistake, I will be the one asking sorry, my mistake only, I'll go out of tiredness. So I fought with my dad, fought with a delivery guy, which is a very big story, not in today's syllabus. We'll cover that later. And after a while, for no reason, I started feeling guilty and I started crying. So my mood is on full swing today. So picked up a few stuff from Amazon and thought of sharing it with you guys. A lot of makeup stuff, obviously. By the way, I picked all these things up in their end of season sale, in which they had crazy price slashes. So in case if you want, you can check them out. They have really good discounts going every now and then, so you can check all these products out whenever you want. The delivery is good. The return policies are also good as far as I've experienced. I'm telling this. Now let's get on with the haul. So before that, I just want to tell you guys something. I am a bit psychotic when it comes to eyeshadow palettes, so I got one this time also. Even when I was a kid, you know, I used to be obsessed with sketch pens and watercolors, and not that normal kind of obsession, that psychotic obsession. Like whenever or wherever, if someone comes up to me and asks, "What do you want, child?" At that very moment, even if I'm hungry and I'm starving, I'll be like, sketch pens. If you think I'm a really good artist, nahi beta. I used to take these sketch pens, remove the cap like thing at the back of it, and inside that you'll find a sponge like thing. I think it is to store the ink, I guess. So I'll take that off and throw it in the water, and the water changes color, and I'll look at that and be like, so when I said psychotic, I wasn't kidding. I meant it. It was way back when I was a kid, and now nothing much has changed. Back then it was sketch pens, and now eyeshadow palettes. This eyeshadow palette has so many shades, like look at it. In case if you're someone who do not, opt for a lot of funky colors and you're all about neutrals, just close your eyes and pick this up. The pigmentation is really good. And also this was just for 349 rupees. Such a steal it was. This is how it looks. This is what I used to do my eye look today. Then I got this LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. This was a shade that I was using previously, but then it got over. And if you guys remember in my Nykaa sale haul video, I would have shown you guys the same concealer, but in a different shade. I thought that it would be darker than this shade, but then it just ended up being lighter than this shade. I seriously don't know what I was thinking while ordering that product. See, this is my condition, and you people are asking me to review products for you guys. And that too, how nicely these people used to ask you, "No, Akka, you are the most honest and genuine YouTuber out there. I want you to review this product, so please review." Honest, genuine and all okay only, but so this basically is a really good match to my skin when compared to other shades in the same product. Then I got 4 liquid lipsticks. These two shades, are my favorite shades. I already had these, it got over, so I again ordered it. One is called Mauve Ecstasy and the other one is called Nude Pink. Stunning colors, like it will look beautiful on dark skin. So despite of your skin tone, just go for it. I'll just swatch it to you guys. I love these shades. So one looks like this. This is called Mauve Ecstasy, and Nude Pink. This one is called Nude Pink. Okay. Beautiful colors. Just trust me. Get it. And also I got another shade called Nude Twist from the same range. By the way, this is from Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color range. I love this particular range, so I got another shade. This I'm not really a big fan of, but it looks good only. But I wouldn't say that I love this as much as I love those 2 lipsticks. So this is how it looks. Good color only, not bad. Then I got this one from Wet n Wild. This is apparently their most famous shade. It's called Mocha, and it is a wonderful shade. So good. I'm very happy with all my lipstick purchases this time. So this is how it looks, and on my lips I'm wearing a combination of this Mocha and Mauve Ecstasy. Do you guys remember me showing this lip balm in my last vlog? That is the last time I saw that too. I don't know where it went, how it went. It just got disappeared without a trace, and I have a slight doubt on my dad because 2 days ago he woke up, and by the way he wakes up at 3 a.m. in the morning for no reason whatsoever, and not only wakes up at that time, he also takes bath at that time. So he took bath and he wouldn't switch on the lights because it would disturb us, and at that time, instead of picking up the body spray, he picked up my body oil, and that body oil, it will look a little bit like body mist with the spray nozzle and everything, and he did all over his body. And the next day silently he came up to me and he was like, what is that body spray? It is so weird. I think even this, instead of using Tiger Balm, he is using my Juicy Chemistry lip balm. I love this lip balm more than any other lip balms that I've ever used. That's how good it is, and that is the reason why I went ahead and got another one immediately. It beautifully repairs your dry or chapped lips. It also says that it reduces lip pigmentation. I'm not really sure about that part because I haven't used it that long, so we'll see that also after a while. And then I got this makeup brush cleaning mat, I guess, from this brand called Solimo. So usually on days I'm washing my brushes, I used to swirl it around my palms and wash it, and at the end of the brush washing session my hands will have all sorts of snake patterns due to overexposure to water. So I finally went ahead and got this. I also got this lip and cheek tint from Just Herbs in the shade Mahogany. Beautiful shade again. I'm really happy with all the lip purchases that I made this time. The shade looks really beautiful. So yeah, this is how it looks. It is a subtle brown shade. Here it is looking, prominent, but then when you apply it on your lips, for my lips it was looking subtle because I have pigmentation, but I really loved it. The shade looked really beautiful. Then I also got this Sugar Illuminating Moisturizer. You guys know what's my new hobby is. I used to apply that MAC strobe cream, those small sample strobe creams they used to give, in case if you purchase stuff from Nykaa. So I used to apply that, sit under the sun, take selfies, and I'll enjoy my own beauty. I'm not kidding. This is what I've been doing for the past 1 week, and I cannot spend on a MAC strobe cream for the stupid and useless hobby that I have, so I got this instead. I've been buying a lot of sugar products lately because I'm really impressed with the quality of all the products that they have. I also like this. Actually, it looks nice, really nice in real life. The camera is not picking it up properly. See, it's not properly picking it up, but it actually looks really nice. And then I got this product from Swiss Beauty. This is actually the 2-in-1 product. It has an eyebrow gel and also a gel eyeliner. I've been wanting to buy this product for a very long time because, again, Swiss Beauty is another brand which never failed to impress me. For the price that we pay, the packaging and the quality of the products are really good. I like all the products that I bought from Swiss Beauty. I mean, almost all the product except that lip liner. I mean, I'm not really a big fan of that lip liner, but other than that, other products are really good that I bought from Swiss Beauty. I'm looking forward to use this. In the process of opening this dabba, my nail polish actually came off. Dabba is looking really good. The packaging, they also have a really small mirror. I don't know for why they kept that, but it looks really nice. And this is actually for your eyebrows. And this is the gel eyeliner. Yeah, it also came with a brush. This one is for your gel eyeliner and this one's to apply your eyebrow product. I got these two brushes from Miniso. You guys know how much I love Miniso brushes. One brush is to apply, to blend cream products, and the other one is to blend eyeshadow. Wait, I'll show you guys. And this is for just 250 rupees. The quality of the brushes are really good. In most of my makeup videos, you guys would have seen me using the 260 rupees makeup brush set. So these are the two brushes. Look how nice it is. I've also heard a lot about this particular mascara from Faces Canada. It's called Magnet Eyes Mascara. So I got this also. Whatever I apply, my eyelashes are not gonna show up, but still I want to try everything from 2000 rupees to 200 rupees, and this was for just 200 and something only. I'll put the price of all the products in the screen itself. In case if I'm not putting it as price, I'll insert a screenshot of all these products which will have the price also. So don't come and say, Akka, where is the price? You said you'll add no. So I got this one also. This is actually an eyebrow product from Maybelline. Look how teeny tiny it is. The Miss Class one used to be really big. And this is for rupees 205. So that's it guys, that's all the products that I picked up from Amazon. Hope you liked the video. In case if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel in case if you like this video, and you can even watch several other videos in case if you didn't like this particular video. Give some chance, you know. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, comment down and share your thoughts. That's it. Tata.